My name is David Gray. I'm part of the tenant engagement group that's been working since around about August, September time on looking at an engagement action plan. Now, we've had some meetings online, which I personally think have been a great idea because they have brought in members from the islands who otherwise maybe wouldn't be able to join or get in. There's been a good exchange of ideas, and personally I think it's an effective and a great way to go. We've looked at actions like providing a variety of opportunities to participate for tenants on the mainland and island stock, introducing electronic tenancy sign-up information, increased My Home users and number of involved tenants. Again, I think that's great. The days of people saying I didn't know or I couldn't access, and bearing in mind that staff now have myriad other duties to do. I think it's great getting people to look at using My Home in particular. The process can be a little bit complicated, so maybe looking at how to streamline it slightly. Provide quarterly update to the Performance, Health and Safety Committee or Tenant Participation Delivery Plan, and provide updates for tenants on tenant participation progress and complaints data within WHHA newsletters. Introduce a programme of local drop-in events throughout the year, providing customers with the opportunity to engage with us and our partners across large geographical operating areas. A great idea. Continue local pop-up events throughout the year. Living as I do in the new houses in Dunveg, I know that we're only a stone's throw away from the Marine Lab, and I'm sure that events could be facilitated alongside the beach cafe, where again there are tenants working there and living in the area. Maximise use of social media and virtual platforms to engage with customers. Publish engagement opportunities on social media platforms, newsletters and RSVP on WHHA website, and source electrical equipment for those with no accent and tie into Wired in Wednesday events. I think it's great if a certain day is going to be stipulated, Wired in Wednesday. It's alliteration and it runs together. Maximise use of Tenant Panel when developing and approving WHHA publications. Well, I'm a prime example of that, sharing draft documents with interested tenants, register and gather feedback. It's ongoing and I hope it will continue to go because I do believe it's a good way. We can all learn something from other people. We don't know all the answers ourselves, and sometimes our answers might be a little bit off the track, so it's good to hear from other people. Incentivize participation by providing opportunities to engage in enjoyable activities. Ensure consultation takes place during significant policy or business changes and after investment works. Offer training, succession planning and attending conferences to interested tenants. Seek support from TPAS to attend Gold accreditation. Arrange an initial meeting with TPAS to seek advice on the application process. And review tenant participation strategy and action plan. Utilise existing groups to develop new strategy and action plan. Consult with all tenants using a variety of methods. Yeah, that's all basically common sense.